Pictures that are now coming in with actor Allu Arjun, who has visited the KIMS hospital in Bengampet to meet the victim of the Sandhya Theatre stampede, unfortunately, where his mother passed away, and the boy who had sustained grievous injuries. Now, the actor's visit has highlighted with solidarity with the fans and also the concern for their well-being, as the boy, who is Sri Teja, who has been reportedly recovering under medical care. And we are looking at the actor there visiting him at the hospital. Let's get in a word from Somit. Somit, picture coming in of Allu Arjun at the hospital there. Of course, as far as his medical treatment is concerned, the cost being borne by the actor and the other fraternity from the film industry, who have been saying that they will be taking the utmost care of the boy who was injured during the stampede.
Been announced by both sides, both from Allu Arjun's side and also from the government side. And recently, the government is taking care of the boy, and also even health secretary and also police officials and others, including the cinematography minister, they visited. And, they said that the government will be bearing the cost. And till then, Allu Arjun has paid the cost. And because, there was case against him, he didn't visit, KIMS hospital because his legal team initially asked him to not visit. And on last Sunday, he has asked the police that he'll be visiting KIMS, but they refused him to go there because of the security reasons. However, yesterday, Ram Gopal Pet police have given him the permission and asked him to keep it confidential. And the police will be escorting his, entire route from his residence in the Jubilee Hills to the KIMS hospital in the Minister Road. So finally, the police has provided him the escort, and he was brought to the, the KIMS hospital in the Minister Road. And there, he has visited the, family. He has consoled the family. He spoke to the doctors team there, and he has also, once again assured his support to the victim's family. And then immediately, because he was not given much time there, because whenever wherever he visits, and in a short while from that time, fans do get gathered there. So
Right.
he was not given much time. He was there for 10 to 15 minutes, and immediately he left there from his, in his car from there to his residence in Jubilee.
Well,
So
as far
even
as the
that
boy
road
is
was
concerned, his
escorted by the
mother is no more. She's being one of the victims there, as we talk about, of the Sandhya Theatre stampede that happened back on the 4th of December. However, a son who was grievously injured is now recovering and under medical care, and the cost being borne by the actor and others from the government and also from the film fraternity. We're looking at the actor there who visited the boy who is recovering at the hospital. Thank you very much.